Hello. Today I am talking to you about oranges, their place in our lives, and their benefits. An orange is more than just a sweet fruit soaked in refreshing juice. It is a symbol of life, hope, and renewable energy. In every bite of this fruit, we find a blend of flavor, health benefits, and countless historical stories. In this video, we will dive into the world of oranges, from their ancient history to their amazing health benefits, and explore how they have influenced the cultures of different peoples. Part 1. The History of the Orange, a Journey Through Ancient Times. The orange is one of the oldest fruits known to humanity. It is believed that oranges originated in Southeast Asia, particularly in tropical regions such as India, Malaysia, and China. For thousands of years, oranges have been used as food, medicine, and a symbol of wealth and luxury. In ancient times, oranges were considered rare fruits that were only grown in the gardens of kings and nobles. Oranges in the history of civilizations. The Chinese, they consider the orange a symbol of good luck and prosperity. Orange trees were planted in their homes to bring luck and wealth. The Greeks and Romans, the orange was known, but they couldn't cultivate it widely due to the climatic conditions in the Mediterranean regions. However, they used it as an ornamental item in decorations and perfumes. In the Middle Ages, Arab trade brought the orange to Europe, where the orange tree became one of the symbols of royal gardens. Varieties of oranges and their secrets. There are many types of oranges, each with its own unique taste and benefits. Some of the most notable types are sweet orange, the most famous and widely consumed variety worldwide. It is known for its sweetness and thick peel. Sour orange, known for its tangy flavor. It is commonly used to make juice and refreshing drinks. Blood orange, distinguished by its dark red color and unique taste that blends sweetness and sourness. Sabra orange, popular in the Middle East. It is known for its sweet flavor and rich juice. Now, let's explore the amazing health benefits of oranges. Health benefits of oranges. While oranges are delicious, they are also packed with health benefits. Did you know that oranges contain vitamin C? No fruit is richer in vitamin C than the orange, which is essential for boosting the immune system and protecting the body from diseases. Antioxidants. Oranges contain flavonoid compounds that fight free radicals in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Weight management. The fiber found in oranges helps you feel full, aiding in weight control. Improved digestion. Oranges are a great source of dietary fiber, which enhances digestion and supports gut health. Skin health. Due to their high vitamin C content, oranges help renew skin cells, reduce wrinkles, and maintain a healthy and fresh appearance. Oranges in culture and folk medicine. The orange tree is a symbol of peace and fertility in many cultures around the world. In ancient times, oranges were considered an effective remedy for various illnesses. In traditional medicine, orange essential oil was used to improve mood and reduce stress. In folk medicine, oranges have been used to treat colds and flu, as orange juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen immunity. In European culture, oranges were considered among the most expensive gifts that could be given in the Middle Ages and were grown in orange gardens reserved for royal families. Oranges in world cuisine. Oranges are stars in many recipes around the world. They can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. Some of the most famous dishes that feature oranges include orange and nut salad, a delicious and refreshing appetizer in many countries. Sweets. Oranges are used in making cakes, pies, and jams. Juices and beverages. Fresh orange juice is the most popular juice in the world, and it is also used in many cocktails and cold drinks. The future of oranges. With climate change, orange cultivation faces many challenges. However, thanks to agricultural research and modern technologies, scientists are working to improve orange varieties to make them more resistant to diseases and harsh climatic conditions. In the future, we may see new types of oranges that offer unprecedented health benefits. Why do we love oranges? The orange is not just a fruit. It is part of our cultural history, our daily rituals, and our health. It is a gift from nature that provides us with abundant energy and health benefits. In every slice of orange, we find beautiful memories from a distant past, a refreshing flavor for a vibrant present, and a bright future waiting for us. So, let's enjoy this wonderful fruit at any time and in any place, and continue to explore the fascinating world of oranges in all its different and amazing dimensions.